Credit building cards usually fall into two categories: app-based financial tools that track behavior inside a system, and traditional style credit cards that are designed to help you build credit history through normal spending. Arro card and Petal card represent those two different approaches. By the end, you'll know how each one builds credit, what makes them different in approval and usage, and which one is more practical if you're trying to build or rebuild credit in 2026. Start with Petal card from Petal. Petal is designed as a credit card that looks at your financial behavior instead of only relying on a traditional credit score. That means it tries to evaluate income patterns, spending habits, and banking history to decide approval. What that means in simple terms is this: it's closer to a real credit card experience, but with more modern underwriting behind the scenes. You still use it like a normal card, and your activity is reported to credit bureaus, which is what helps build credit over time. Now look at Arro card. Arro is more of an app-based financial product that focuses on behavior inside its own system rather than acting like a standard credit card. Instead of giving you a traditional card experience first, it evaluates how you manage money through its platform. That changes the way you use it day to day. Petal feels like a normal credit card you can use anywhere. Arro feels more like a financial app that also gives you spending access based on your activity. Now the key question: which one should you actually get? Petal is usually the stronger choice if you want something that behaves like a real credit card while still being accessible for people with limited or no credit history. It's built to function in the credit card ecosystem, which makes it easier to understand and integrate into everyday spending. Arro can still be useful, but its value depends more on how you interact with the app and how it evaluates your financial behavior over time. That makes it feel more flexible, but also less like a traditional credit card replacement. So, here's the real breakdown. If your goal is to build credit using a card that works like a standard credit card and reports to credit bureaus in a familiar way, Petal is the more straightforward option. If you prefer a behavior-based app experience that adjusts based on how you manage money inside the system, Arro offers that alternative structure. Both can help build credit when used responsibly, because what actually matters is consistent payments and keeping your usage stable over time. Quick recap. Petal is more traditional and card-like. Arro is more app-based and behavior-driven. Both aim to support credit building, but through different systems. Next step is simple. Choose the option that matches how you prefer to manage money daily, then stay consistent long enough for your credit history to actually develop. Like and subscribe for more clear comparisons of financial tools without the confusion.